Hi. First of all, I want to thank you for your interest in our irrigation services. You are going to love our irrigation technicians. They are highly trained and have been with us for years, and they do an amazing job. Our techs can do anything you need, from starting your system up in the spring to testing for proper spray patterns, looking for leaks, programming your timer for the proper watering and time of year, cleaning your mainline filters, the head filters, repairing pumps, troubleshooting wiring issues, replacing broken lines, blowing out your lines in the fall, and prepping them for winter. Our irrigation techs are truly awesome, and as you can see, take care of a wide variety of problems in your system. On the other hand, if you don't have any issues and just want to make sure that your system is tip-top, we can also come and test your system on a regular basis and make adjustments and repairs as needed. We also have a certified backflow technician on staff. And you don't want just anybody working on your backflow preventer. This device is complicated, and if done wrong, can contaminate water systems, and you don't want to be liable for any water systems getting contaminated or even get sick from it yourself. Also, most cities require that your backflow valve be tested once a year by a certified backflow technician to make sure that it's working properly. Our techs really are awesome, and I know that you're going to love working with them. I can't even tell you how many compliments we get about our irrigation technicians. So let our office know if you have any further questions at all about this service, and we look forward to working with you. Have a great day. See ya.